Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you my top Amazon fashion and beauty picks for the Amazon Prime Day, which is on the 26th and 27th of July 2021, and I am so excited to show you everything because I love everything that I got. I can't wait to show you. And if you aren't subscribed yet, then please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and let's get started. Okay, so my first favorite Amazon fashion pick are these Reebok shoes. These are from their Ortholite series and they have a comfort footbed, but more than anything I love the color combination of this nude and neon. It's got like neon soles and they are super comfortable to work out with. Next, I got this dress that I'm wearing. This is from And. I'm wearing the size 10. I love that it's all black and I actually really like the silhouette. Next, I got this watch from FCUK for my dad. He's been really wanting a smartwatch and I thought this looked really cute and it was in my budget, so I got this one for him. Okay, so those were all of my Amazon fashion picks. Let me show you my top beauty picks. The first one is actually this body scrub from Just Herbs, and I am obsessed with how good this smells. So basically this is a resurfacing body polish scrub and it's made with wild Indian rose, oatmeal and cane sugar. Oh my god, I love the texture of it. I am obsessed with the fragrance. I have been sniffing my hand non-stop, and as you can see, once I wash it off, you can see that there's a thin layer of oil that coats the skin and leaves it so soft. It feels like a body butter. If you want to pick one thing up, I would say this. Okay, so the next one is this eye kit from Maybelline. It has their Colossal Kajal, the Colossal Bold Liner, which I am obsessed with. I love that liner, and then the Colossal Kajal, and also has a mask. And I actually got this as a gift for the newest member in my team. We have Janvi, who's joined us, and she is helping out with our social media content, especially with the brand. And I know for a fact that she's gonna love this, and I don't think that she knows this yet. So I think if you're watching this video, then this one's for you. Next, I got this combo of shampoo and conditioner. They actually were on offer. This is from Schwarzkopf. This is their Bonacure Keratin Smooth Perfect Micellar shampoo for unmanageable hair, and then we have conditioner for unmanageable hair. This is basically meant to tame frizz, and this is a micellar clear shampoo, so that really helps in clearing out any buildup, and I wanted to give this a try. Both me and my mom are actually gonna try this out. Next, for lipstick, I have these three lipsticks from Lakme Absolute. This is their Plush Matte Lip Crayon, and I got them in three shades, two nudes and one bright shade. First one is Iced Mocha, then we have Roasted Almond, and then I also got Runway Red. And my last Amazon beauty pick are these Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Mousse lipstick. You can use them both as a lipstick and like a nice stain for your cheeks. I got these three shades. Top bright pink shade is Fuchsia Suede, then we have Rouge Satin, and my favorite shade, Burgundy Lush. Those were my favorite Amazon fashion and beauty top picks for the Amazon Prime Day, which is on the 26th and 27th, so mark your calendars. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in my next one. Bye!